guys, this is Aisha. I want to show you a very rare off-plan property that is in the Palm. You know, Palm Jumeirah has not many off-plan new developments coming up just because the real estate is so less. But I've got you one of the premium wellness resort style of luxury living. But the best part about that is that it feels like a home, although it is all like a luxury, like living in a luxurious resort. The main characters of this property that stand out is that it's not for somebody who likes crowds. So if celebrities want private access without having to be seen in public, this property gives you the private access, so you don't have to face people. And it comes with a 250 meters wide private beach, which is not accessible by anybody because this is on the west of the Palm Crescent. So it's you have the palm with the fronds and the trunk, and you have the crescent, and you have the Atlantis Royal and Palm Atlantis here, and this is to the west of it. So you can access the helipad right next to it and walk in the private alley right to your apartment or your penthouse or your mansion. So this gives that exclusivity and privacy that a high net worth individual like you would be looking for, away from cameras, away from the prying eyes, away from the crowd. So let me start with these. These are the yacht style mansions, which are G+2, and they only have 6 of them. The reason that they are so great is because they have a basement with a carport and a man cave, and 2 exclusive terraces with an infinity pool that has direct access to a private beach. And this is the 250 meters of private beach that this project has. And all the mansions have access to the private beach along with having their own infinity pool. Apart from the 250 meters beach, these mansions come with the living area, which is a glass house. The living area, that's a glass house, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, the dining, outdoor patio area, landscaped areas everywhere, and moreover, all the outdoor and indoor furniture that you see are included in this property, which is well curated for a resort style living. And this way that you see is the internal axis, and this is the water facade to each of these towers. There are apartments, there are yacht mansions, and there are penthouses. So yeah, the apartments here are not crammed. They are around 1,000 square feet for 1 bedroom apartments. So you can feel the spaciousness that it has. And those 2 bedrooms apartments are around 1,400 to 1,550 square feet. So they're pretty big. And the 2 bedroom apartments come around 2,000 square feet, and there are some 3 bedroom apartments, and there's a 4 bedroom apartment too, which are huge in size, and they all are furnished. The yacht mansion is a 5 bath, 11,000 of odd square feet of mansion with G+2 and a basement with carport and a man cave with 2 pools, one in the front and one in the back, and with an access of the private beach. What makes this best is this property is perfect for families or anyone who's trying to stay calm in the busy world of Dubai. Let me show you how a weekend here would look like. So here's what a perfect weekend would look like in this amazing. You come down here and the kids play at the playground here, which is indoors, and there's an outdoor playground too, which has a very zen, minimalistic vibe to it. There is rock climbing and all greenery here. It does not feel like you are in an urban space. After that, the kids would have a picnic lunch right across, walking by the 250 meters of private beach right here overlooking the Arabian Gulf. And then as you finish up your lunch, you would access the cabanas here. Then there's the pool, which is pretty huge. And if you are a professional swimmer, you would use one of the lap pools that we have. The best part about this entire area is it's all green space. I love for you the acrylic pool. There are two lap pools, if I'm not mistaken, one in the terrace and one here. And the beach comes with cabana, exclusive cabanas and podium for you to relax. After that, you would take the kids here in the indoor glass house for relaxing, and there's a kiddie pool area and an indoor library and zen also as somebody who wants to practice. The best part about this project is that it comes with an indoor cinema, and it comes with um, this part which is a glass house with library and access. And if you are living in one of these apartments, this is the wellness selection. So this project overlooks water on that side and this side, and to your right and to your left. It is a complete Arabian Gulf view because it's right on the crescent of Palm Jumeirah. Now let's talk about the logistics if you're living in one of these apartments or mansions. This is the road that connects you to the crescent. You would get off your car in one of the underground parking garages, or if you have a driver, which most high net worth individuals living in the Palm do, they would be dropped off in one of those private elevators and lobbies here in both the towers, which makes sure that you're not seen by anybody, because we know, dealing with a lot of Palm Jumeirah clients, that they avoid crowds and they don't want to be seen. They preserve and love their privacy a lot. These apartments, these towers make sure your privacy is secure. And once you get out of the crescent, it connects you to Sheikh Zayed Road and other major highways. Selling real estate globally, whether in North America or Asia or in Dubai, one thing that I've found is the real value for your investment is location, location, location. This property is right on Palm Jumeirah Crescent. That gives you access to the helipad, the water views from each angle, and the urban living connection with Sheikh Zayed Road once you're out of the crescent. This and just the Palm Jumeirah address is enough for privacy and for luxurious living. What makes it more desirable is the payment plan. We are running an offer that gives you flexible payment plans and some deep discounts with our relationship with developer. Don't forget to DM me or click the link for a call. That would be better. Do that so we know that you are serious about your inquiry and we can give you a complete time. We are the specialists in Palm Jumeirah. We deal only with Palm Jumeirah, and we are bringing exclusive before market access offers and discounts to our clients. And this project with the yacht mansion, with the apartments, 4 bedroom, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom, and the penthouses is not to be missed.